Hi, Anthony here. If you are following my journey as an Amazon influencer, then I've got some good news for you, especially if you are not in the US. Here's the news. I have got my Amazon.com shop. Now, notice for all of these, I am not signed into Amazon because I am not allowed to show you the back end of what the Amazon influencer screens look like once you're actually signed in. So this is what ordinary people see when they log on to Amazon if they go to my shop front, which is amazon.com/shop/ and my name, Anthony English. Okay, I've got a banner there. It's not the most beautiful banner, but it's there. I've got some curations, which is groups of products that I have in different lists. And of course, I've got my videos here. This video goes for 1 minute 23, 142. I've got a few different things here, a few different products, all kinds of things that I am doing as part of the Amazon influencer program. And I am getting paid when people click, when they watch the video and click and order something, or if they look at a picture, look at a photo and then order something, then I get a little bit of commission. So that's Amazon.com, which is the US based. But now these other three also have video, and I suspect many other countries for Amazon do. So there's this one here, which is Amazon.ca, Canada. Notice it's got the same banner, the same description here as the US one, Amazon.com, but I've got different curations here. I've got different videos that have only just been approved. So I've got a different set of products that I am sharing. And so what I do is I create the videos and I post them on the different Amazons, Amazon.com, Amazon.ca, this one for the UK. And once again, you can see in the UK, I've got a different set again of products, videos, and photos that I have uploaded, but it still uses the same common banner. And then the last one is Australia, where I am based. And now this is particularly good for me because a lot of products that I can get in Australia, when they come to Australia, seem to be rebranded or only available in that brand in Australia itself. And so that means that I can post these images or videos, and you can see I'm doing all kinds of things, and shampoo and books and all sorts of things here, tissues here, lots and lots of different things that I am posting, tech stuff, all sorts of things. And so I'm able to post those based on my local amazon.com.au where I'm based, Australia. I've got just access to a few more products, which is great. So you can see the link there to my YouTube channel and now to TikTok. So that's the good news, is that if you already have an account in amazon.com, then it may be worthwhile applying to become an Amazon influencer in .ca, in .uk, and then if appropriate, amazon.com.au Australia or some other country. And now I should tell you that it's been a few days since I posted my first videos for amazon.ca for Canada, for Australia, for the UK, and a few of those videos have been approved. I'm starting to see a few clicks, but I haven't got any revenue yet. Nobody's made an order yet. And so we'll see how that goes, but it's very, very little extra work for me because I've already created the video for the product on Amazon.com. Of course, I need to tag the relevant product on the other different Amazons. Once I do that, then we're good to go. Starting to make some decent money. Okay, it's about $300 US a month for me at the moment, which I'm pretty happy about.